Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Siri in Spotlight on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So to enable or disable Siri in Spotlight, you want to open Settings, swipe down, tap on the Siri and search. Once you are here, swipe down again, and here you have this Show in Spotlight option. So now it is enabled, now it is disabled. So just tap on a button. If it's green, it means it is enabled. Now it is disabled. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.